In English, the word order of a sentence is usually subject plus verb plus object, and we call this the active voice. Here are three examples. Dogs chase cats. Subjects chase objects. Members elect delegates. So members is subject, elect is the verb, and delegates, they're the object. What happens though if we put the object at the beginning of the sentence? Well, let's have a look. Here the word order becomes object plus verb plus by subject, and we call this the passive voice. So objects are chased by subjects. Cats are chased by dogs. Delegates, the object, are elected by members, the subject, to Congress. And the regional officers, object, are advised by the regional advisory body, subject. Let's see what's happening here. Here you can see the present simple form of the active and passive. The active voice is subject plus verb plus object, but the passive voice is object plus the verb to be plus the third form of the verb plus subject. So the verb to be depends on the object. Here we have the plural form, delegates. So delegates are elected. If we had the delegate, it would be is elected by members. What is the third form of the verb? Well, all verbs have three forms. The first form is the infinitive without to. The second form we use in the past tense. And the third form we call the past participle. Regular verbs have the same form of the verb in verb 2 and verb 3. So, elect, elected, elected. Advise, advised, advised. Irregular verbs, though, have different forms. For example, sing, sang, sung. Eat, ate, eaten. And drink, drank, drunk. We'll look at these forms later on in the course. How do we make the passive voice negative? Well, we simply add not after the verb to be. So, delegates are not appointed by members. And how do we make questions? We just put the verb to be before the object. So, are delegates appointed by members? Are cats chased by dogs? And are the regional officers elected by the regional advisory body?